Just because a lender approves you for a number does not mean you need to spend it. This is how people end up stressed, stretched, and house poor. Can we talk about this for a moment? Today, I am breaking down how to figure out what you actually can afford without sacrificing your life, your savings, or your peace of mind. Affordability is not the purchase price. It is about your monthly life. Mortgage, taxes, insurance, utilities, maintenance, and still having room to live, save, and breathe. The goal is not the biggest house. The goal is the most sustainable one. All right, let's talk about some mistakes. Mistake number 1, using the max approval number. Lenders approve based on formulas, not lifestyles. They do not know your travel goals, your childcare costs, your debt comfort level, your stress tolerance. The approval number is a ceiling, not a target. Smart buyers choose a payment that they can live with comfortably, not one they can barely survive. Mistake number 2, forgetting the hidden monthly cost. Your payment there's more than just your loan. You need your property taxes, your homeowner's insurance, HOAs if that applies, utilities that might increase with size, ongoing maintenance, because there's always maintenance. A house that looks affordable on paper can feel very different month to month. Mistake number 3, planning for life changes. Upsizing often comes with life changes. Growing families, career shifts, childcare, future goals. The best buyers plan for where life is going, not just where it is today. Stretching too far removes flexibility when life changes. The simple way to think about it, instead of asking, what is the most I can buy? Ask, what payment still lets me save? What payment still lets me enjoy life? What payment feels manageable even on a hard month? That number is your real budget. This is where a good lender and agent matter. We look at payment ranges, not just prices. Programmed options that affect monthly costs. Long-term comfort, not short-term excitement. Buying well is about confidence, not pressure. If you're serious about buying, your goal should be security, not stress. A home should support your life, not consume it. Subscribe for honest guidance that helps you buy smart. And if you want help figuring out a price range that actually fits your lifestyle, reach out. The right number makes everything else easier, and you don't have to figure this out alone.